YouTube channel again. I like designing something very, very simple because of people that are not familiar with Canva at all. So this is the time where everybody wants to start saying thank you to their clients, to their customers. So let's design something very, very simple, especially for people that have not designed on Canva before. So using my smartphone, so I'll come to Chrome. So we design something like this. Exactly this. This is what we are going to design. So I'll be designing it from the scratch. So okay, so let me come here. So let me come here. I want to start from beginning. Click on www.canva.com. Should be used to that line now, www.canva.com. Go to your social media posts. Okay. Very simple to create too. Very simple to create. So just click on this Instagram post 4x5. Okay. So because you don't even know how to arrange, you don't know how to do anything, let me now teach you the shortcuts. Even your child, you can show this video to your child and it's going to design perfectly well for you. So let's go. Okay, so go to elements, just click on elements and search for grid. Search for grid. Press this purple. Okay. Oh yeah. So just scroll up like this. So let's look for the one. Then click on see all grid. See all grid. So look for anyone that you love. So I'll be taking the one with 3 frames. You see that there are plenty. All of them you can use it when you want to design. All of them. So let me take. So I'm going to take this one. Okay. So this is one I want to use. Okay. So let me click on this 3 dots to rename. Thank you. Card for my clients. It's good to know how to rename your design very well. So this is it. So I'll have some pictures. So let me just go back to elements, go back and go and search for customers buying fruits. So let me use that. But be a teacher, look for, search for what is related to your field, to your niche. So okay, so I'll go to photos here. So let's see. So I'm a fruit seller today. That's what I am today. Okay. I'm waiting for one that show 2 faces. That show people, okay, this one. Okay, this one is okay. So I can choose this. Then let's look for another one. I can also choose this. This is also lovely. Okay. I can go back. Let's look for another one. At least show show you see now. So Canva is even showing me the same person, the same picture. So this is it. So I will just click on this one, last one, and come to crop. I don't want to show her face twice. So I'll so the other person. So done. So okay. So I'll click on this. I'll click on this one, the first one. I'll come a style and I'll stroke it. Let's enter 8. Okay. Then the other one 8. Okay. Then this other one 8. Okay. So for me to change the color of this one, the stroke, just click on stroke color. I'll be using orange for the 3. Stroke color orange, stroke color orange. Then I'll go back to my elements and search for I'll go to shape. I should have my logo ready, and I'll click on this circle here. I'll just put it here. Remember, my logo should be ready, so I'll put it here. I'll put it at the middle. If you don't know how to do that, just go to position, because I'm used to my phone. Go to position, align, center, so it's already centralized. So I'll go back. I'll go to style and I'll put a small stroke, just 7. You see, okay, 7. So I'm good to go. Then I'll go to elements and search for frame. Click out and search for frame, or you even see frame here. See frame, frames. Click on this one. Click on this one and look for circle. There'll be circle around here. So this is it. This is one we need. Click on this one and reduce it and bring it here. So make sure, see it now. So make sure it's at the circle. See it? So go and bring your logo. My logo is under my brand. Let me just use my Canva ambassador badge. You can just go and look for logo. We have a lot of logo on Canva. Anyone you want. So let me just use this. I will just put this one at the middle. Put this at this frame. It's loading. So just put it here. You see it now? So fine. I'll change the color. I'll come here and change the color. Click on color. I have my color ready. So I love to use this. Okay. Then I want everything to rhyme. So I'll click on this one. I'll come here, click the background again, and choose that same color. Then I'll take this, I'll replace it. So fine, you see it now. This is okay. Then I'll come to text. Headline, heading. Their value or esteemed customer. So okay, so this is it. So come here. Use this side and stretch it like this. See it now? Okay. Then change the font. Change the font to Montserrat. Change the font to Montserrat. I love Montserrat, and Montserrat is free. So I'll also click on this. Then I'll click on this arrow, and I can also start it. But this is not the font I'm looking for. This is Montserrat. I'm looking for Montserrat, but I think I use this. I use this for that DSM. I use this Tropica. So okay. So arrange it very well. Then increase it. For me to get the right increase, the right size, go to font size. You see it now. So you can minus it here, you can reduce it, and you can increase it. Okay, so I'll just adjust this edge very well. No, I don't want just one line. Okay, so that's that. So I'll now go back to text again. Go to body text. Okay, click out and bring your body text. Click on it and bring it down. Then click on this magic right. I don't want so. Please write a short note to my lovely customers that love buying different fruits from our stores or online store around the world. Okay, I'll just press this button. Even your child can do this. So okay, so this is it. Dear valued customer. So you see it now, everything is there. I'll just place. I'll read very well and I'll replace it. Okay, I'll click on replace. So this is it. Dear customer, I'll remove this dear customer. I'll make sure I'll come back to this we. Move to the edge. And okay, type your W again. Okay, so this is it. Okay, then come here and arrange it. Make sure it's false. You see my margin. Don't let it go like, oh, arrange it. Everything under your there. You see it now? So all this space now, I don't want space. My name, okay. You write your company name. Remove the brackets. Okay. Happy shopping. Okay. Like that. Okay, so that's it. I will just click. Then I'll change my font. Go to font and use Montserrat or this other font. This one is also nice. The Montserrat is a little bigger and bolder. So this is it. So you can choose anyone. Okay. So this is it. So you see it now. Then come to elements. Leave frame. Come to shape and pick square. Yeah. Align it very well. You see this line, this dash line. Just you see it down. Okay. Then come to corner and let's say 20. Let's look at it. Yeah, let's look at it. You see it now. So I don't want this other edge to show the corner. I just want the corner to be up. So this is it. Then I will go to test again. Body test. We really appreciate you. Really appreciate you. Hope to see to see more, see more of you in 2026. I want their head to be swelling, no. So bring it down. So this is it. If I'm not sure about my English, just click on Magic Write and click on Rewrite or Fit Spelling. Let's click on Rewrite. Let's see what it's going to tell us. We value you, looking forward to see more of you in 2020. So you can replace it. You can replace it if you want. I think I prefer that one, so I'll just go back. Then I'll click on color white so that it will appear very well. So that's it. Oh, this is it. This is it. Everything is over. So this is it. Then I will just click on this arrow like this arrow here, download, because I am using paid, because I'm using paid. So I'm waiting for it to download, to show me the icon for me to download. So this is it, because I'm using paid Canva Pro, so I can do this. See it now. But during the next video, I will tell you how you can impute your dimension to have higher resolution before you start designing. So because I'm using Canva Pro, I'm able to save 1,000 to the element that I use. So just click on download. Click on download, and that is all. That's all. You see it in your gallery. Send it to your customers and they will smile. This kind of design is very, very simple. Even your children at home can learn how to do that. So see you in the next webinars. Please subscribe. Don't stop using Canva, please. So let's see. So it's downloading. Let's see how beautiful it's going to come out. So you don't have to go to designing school before you know how to design something like this. So we are still waiting for 1 minute. So it's going to come up. But these are the ones I have designed. These are the other ones. You see it now. I have the logo in the Canva. So that's just it. So see you. Subscribe, please.